What's good, YouTube? Today, I got a package that arrived late last night that we're gonna unbox, and I'm very excited to unbox. So let's get right into the unboxing. Let's get it. All right, we are doing a quick unboxing of the Womier K87 Phoenix, which on the box it says high performance mechanical keyboard. So we're gonna unbox this. We're not gonna do the full review on this today, but we will be doing an unboxing. So this was what comes in the box. We're gonna open it up. We have this user manual right here, which shows you how to increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, and all the, different things that you can do with the lights, the lighting effects. So, all right. But that's not what we came here to see anyways. So let's open up this baby up. Ooh. It is a beaut. It is really beautiful. So, first thing that I can say is I have owned a Womier keyboard before, and I've customized it. And, it's not that bad, but a lot of people, don't like the fact that it doesn't have the risers, different level risers, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. Yeah, it looks really beautiful. So we get that. What else do we get? We get the cord right here. All right, cool. We get a brush, as well as a keycap puller, and one for the switch as well. If you don't know about this keyboard, what makes it great is that you're able to really customize this any which way you want, whether it's the keycaps, the switches. I believe that these have the Gatoron reds. Let's see, pull this off. Yeah. All right, we're not gonna make this too long. Again, this isn't the review. This is just an unboxing. So yeah, that's all that you get in the box. Brush. I don't know if I'll ever use the brush. Of course, the cable, so that we can use this the right way. And then right here is the keyboard, which looks amazing. And I love these keycaps. Let's just do a quick sound test. I can say the keycaps feel really nice though. They're really smooth. Stabilizers have a little bit of rattle. But yeah, that's all that you get in the box. Yeah, make sure that if you like the content that you subscribe to the channel, as will you be doing a full review on this, as well as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff on the other side. So there's a lot of tech gear towards gaming that we're going to be reviewing. So yeah, make sure you smash that like button, as it helps the channel a lot, and definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on the full review of this keyboard. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.